You've tried using AI to build system.io pages, and it looked great in the AI chat. But the moment you pasted that code into your page, it's ugly, it's broken, and a total mess. That happens to almost everyone. And today, I'm going to show you exactly why and the free tool that fixes it permanently. Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're building funnels and pages on system.io, you are going to want to stick around for this one because this changes the game completely. So here's the deal. When you ask ChatGPT, Claude, or Gemini to build you a landing page, they do a great job, but they write a code for a full standalone web page. That means it comes loaded with extra tags like HTML, head and body, and a bunch of other stuff that system.io absolutely does not need. And when you paste all of that into a raw HTML element in system.io pages, it will create conflict because the platform, which is the system.io, already has its own structure. And those extra tags crash right into it. Your layout breaks, your fonts go weird, your sections stack wrong, and it's a total nightmare. So, what do most people do? They either give up or they spend an hour manually cleaning the code. And honestly, who has time for that? Well, I have a good news for you. System.io just dropped a complete free tool that solves this exact problem. And it's called the AI Prompt Generator. For the link of the AI Prompt Generator by System.io, I will drop the link in the description of this video or in the comment section. Instead of just asking AI to build me a landing page and getting back a broken code, this tool gives you a custom, tailored prompt that tells AI exactly what to write in exactly the format that System.io needs. No extra tags, no broken layouts. It is clean and paste ready HTML code every single time. Alright, let's go to my screen and I will walk you through on how it works. It's seriously simple. Step 1, click the link in the description of this video and then you will be redirected to this AI prompt generator by system.io, and then you need to enter your brand details. We are talking about your brand or business name, the language that you need to use, and also the URL of your logo. This is an optional, but you can disregard this one if you don't have one. Step 2 is that you need to set up the look and feel of your landing page. So you need to add your primary color, the accent color, the font style that you are using, and then the visual style, then the tone of voice. Step 3 is the content of your page. So you're gonna choose here what is your page goal and what are your offers and the main button or your call to action main button text and also the main button URL. So you can choose here what sections that you want to add in your pages and you just need to click here, right? That step 4, you can add your top menu like your homepage, your about us and contact page. Step 5 is to add your footer. So in your footer, you can add a short tagline, footer links, social media, and copyright text. And for the step 6 is that you can add additional notes for the AI. And once done, when everything is good, the next step that you need to do is to click the Generate My Prompt button. So once you hit that Generate button, it will spit out a fully tailored prompt specifically engineered to clean system.io compatible HTML from any AI tool. The next step is to copy that prompt. Just click the copy button and then paste it into Claude, ChatGPT, or Gemini, whichever AI you prefer. Watch what happens here. The AI returns HTML that's already stripped of all those problematic wrapper tags. It's structured exactly the way system.io expects it. And the last step, but not the least, is to copy that HTML code and then jump into your system.io editor, jump in a raw HTML element, and paste the code. And also, don't forget to click the save button. And look at that. It is clean, beautiful, edge to edge, no fixing, no debugging, no headaches. Now, here's a pro tip. That makes a massive difference and it's easy to miss. So don't miss this one. Once you've pasted your HTML code into system.io, go into your section and row settings and set the padding to 0, both top and bottom. This lets your AI designed section stretch beautifully from edge to edge, the way it was actually designed to look. Without doing this, you'll get those awkward white gaps around your content, and it just kills the design. And here's something I love about this workflow. It's not a one and done thing. If you want to tweak the design, change the colors, swap the layout, adjust the copy, you don't start over. You just go back to the same AI chat and ask for the change. The AI already has the context, so it returns updated code that's still fully compatible and ready to paste right back in. It's like having a web designer on call, except it's free and it takes about 10 seconds. So to recap, System.io's free AI prompt generator solves the biggest pain point with AI built pages. It gives you a prompt that tells the AI exactly what to create in exactly the format System.io can handle. No broken code, no wasted time, just clean, beautiful pages fast. By the way, the System.io AI prompt generator is completely free and no sign up required. Again, you can access the link by checking in the description of this video. If this AI prompt generator saved you time, make sure you've clicked the subscribe button on my channel so you don't miss the next one. Alright, I will see you in the next video and you can choose this video or this video for your next System.io tutorial.